Okay, here's the rotted framing repaired. Million screws, 3 beams. I mean, these go way in there under the plywood, way in there under the plywood. This is the strongest section of flooring in the place now. So it's good because that's where my door is going. I think the door is going to go. Actually, it would be good to center the door right over these two things, those two supports. But I was feeling like I wanted the door more hugging this corner here, and that's rotted there, but this is a pretty sturdy corner there. So plus I got 2 layers of plywood going on. There's so much support that it's just ridiculous. All right, let's button this tin up, and there's all this. Take a picture of it. That's good.